If your vehicle is showing a P0700 code, in this video I'll explain what it means and how you go about fixing it. What is a P0700 code? It stands for Transmission Control System MIL Request. Essentially, this is a generic code that tells you the transmission control module has detected a problem. It doesn't pinpoint exactly what's wrong, it just lets you know there's an issue somewhere in the transmission system. The first step when you get a P0700 code is to check for any other codes. Often, the transmission control module will store more specific codes that will help identify the actual problem. Keep in mind, though, that a P0700 can be caused by many different issues, so troubleshooting can sometimes be tricky. Transmission fluid and filter. One of the first things to check is the transmission fluid. Low or dirty transmission fluid can definitely cause issues, so start by checking the fluid level and condition. Make sure it's not low, not badly discolored, and that there are no metal shavings in it. Some newer vehicles don't have a dipstick, so checking the fluid isn't always easy, but if your vehicle allows it, this should be the first step. If the fluid is low, top it off and see if that helps. It's also possible that the transmission fluid and filter need to be serviced. A clogged transmission filter can cause problems and trigger codes. One thing to keep in mind is mileage. On high mileage transmissions, where the fluid has never been changed, doing a full fluid flush can sometimes create new issues. In some cases, people replace all the old fluid with new fluid and then start getting transmission codes shortly after. This usually applies only to very high mileage transmissions that haven't been maintained regularly. If the transmission has lower mileage or the fluid has been serviced regularly, a normal fluid and filter change usually isn't a problem. But if it has very high mileage and the fluid has never been changed, it may be safer to just replace the filter and reuse the old fluid, or only add a small amount of fresh fluid. It's a good idea to research this for your specific vehicle. Either way, checking for low or dirty transmission fluid is the first step when diagnosing a P0700 code. Bad sensors. The next thing that can cause a P0700 code is a problem with one of the transmission sensors. Depending on your vehicle's make, model, and year, there can be several sensors on the transmission, and if one of them fails, it can trigger an issue. When this happens, you'll usually get another code along with the P0700. For example, if you also see a P0721 code, that points to the output speed sensor. You would then locate that sensor on your transmission, test it, and check the wiring going to it. So, a bad or failing sensor is another common reason for a P0700 code. Internal transmission issues. Another possible cause of a P0700 code is a problem inside the transmission itself. This could involve a faulty shift solenoid, issues with the valve body, or a problem with the torque converter clutch. If an internal component is causing the problem, you'll usually see a more specific code as well. For example, a P0746 code points to an issue with a shift solenoid. In that case, you could locate the solenoid on your transmission, remove it, perform tests, and inspect the wiring. So internal transmission problems are another potential cause of a P0700 code. Control module and wiring. Another potential cause of a P0700 code is a problem with the transmission control module, or the wiring harness that connects the transmission and its sensors. These modules rely on a stable power supply to function correctly, so any issues with power, loose connections, or damaged wiring can interfere with their operation and trigger a P0700 code. If you suspect a problem with the transmission control module, start by checking the battery and alternator to make sure the vehicle is getting a proper power supply. Using a multimeter, measure the voltage at the battery terminals with the engine running. Most vehicles should read between 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Check your specific vehicle's rating to be sure. If the voltage is too low or too high, it can interfere with the operation of the TCM and other computer modules, potentially causing issues. Another thing to keep in mind is that these computer modules need a solid ground to function properly. A poor ground can cause issues, so if you have a jumper wire, you can test by connecting the module's case to a known good ground to see if that resolves the problem. Checking the wiring harness can be more challenging, but it's important to make sure all connections are secure, fully plugged in, and free of grease or debris. Inspect the harness for any visible damage, such as burn marks or chewed wires from rodents. While wiring issues can be tricky to diagnose, any obvious damage is a clear sign of a problem. So, another possible cause of a P0700 code is an issue with the transmission control module itself or the wiring harness that connects it to the transmission. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.